The latest official image of Zeekr MIX has been released or may be released at the end of October. The new car will be officially launched at the end of October. Zeekr MIX is positioned as a 5-seater large SUV suitable for all family scenarios. It is built on the Haohan-M architecture and adopts the sliding door design. The wheelbase is over 3 meters, and the CLTC pure electric range is up to 556 kilometers. The official image of Zeekr MIX released this time adopts a gray and black color scheme, with gray as the main color. Compared with the black and white panda color scheme released before, it is more textured and has no visual impact. The front face style is similar to Zeekr 007, adopting the hidden energy minimalist luxury appearance design language. The headlight set is integrated with the black trim strip, creating the visual effect of an impressive light strip. From the side, the front of the new car looks very short, adopting the 4 wheels and 4 corners, round front and rear design, and the front and rear overhangs are very short, similar to the go-kart. The benefits of this design can maximize the space inside the car and increase maneuverability. In addition, it adopts a completely hidden door handle design and adopts a new electric sliding door method. The maximum opening can reach 1.48 m. The shape of the rear of the car is relatively simple, and there are not many elements for decoration. The color combination of black, gray and black enriches the visual effect of the car and makes it look more advanced. Thanks to the 4 wheels and 4 corners design, the body size is quite interesting. The length, width and height are 4688/1995/1755 mm respectively, but the wheelbase reaches 3008 mm in addition to the body length. Belonging to the compact MPV category, the body height, width and wheelbase all meet the standards of medium and large MPV. At the same time, the new car offers 5 seats, low configuration, and 4 seats, high configuration. The 4 rear seats are independent seats and are equipped with a removable center island from the front to the front. The rear seat and the armrests on the right and left sides of the front seats are designed. The rear row of the car is designed as a 3-seater, but the 2 seats on the left and right are also designed with leg rests, providing a very comfortable driving space. In addition, the island area and related functions are shown. The small table on the movable island can be opened proportionally. The car also has electric door opening buttons, panoramic sunroof, front and rear row seats. In terms of power, it is equipped with a TZ235XYC01 model drive motor with a maximum power of 310 kilowatts and a maximum speed of 180 kilometers per hour. The 77 kilowatt-hour battery has 2 versions, 550 kilometers and 556 kilometers, with a pure electric range.